So for this tutorial, we're gonna chain multiple of 8, as many as you want depending on your project, and then we'll add one at the end. So again, multiple of 8, and then we will be adding. Here I have chain 36, and as I said, I will be adding one more chain. Now from the 5th chain from the hook, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the 5th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 9 double crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the 5th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 9 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook on the 5th chain and work your first double crochet, second double crochet in the same chain, third, okay, so here I have made total of 9 double crochet. Now I'm gonna count 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I'll make a single crochet on the 4th one. So I'll skip 3 and 1 single crochet on the 4th chain from my first 9 double crochet. Now I'll skip 3 again, and on the next chain I will work 9 double crochet again. So basically what you do, 9 double crochet in one chain, then skip 3 and a single crochet on the next one, skip 3 again and 9 double crochet in the next one until the end of the row. Again, check the link in the description box where you'll find the link for the written pattern, and you can understand clearly how to achieve it. So I've made 4. Okay, so here I have finished my last cluster, let's say, with 9 double crochet, and I'm gonna fasten up because here I'm gonna join a new color for the next row. So I'll just pull the beginning thread together and I'll just fasten off here, and then I'll cut my yarn. Okay, here it is now. Now I'm gonna add the next color. So as usual, I'll make a slip knot to start with, and then from the last point I will be joining with a slip stitch. Again, okay. Now I'll turn my work opposite side like so, and I'll chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make 4 incomplete double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So one incomplete double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then we'll join them together and then we'll follow with 1 single crochet. I'll show you now how it is. So now I'll yarn over, insert my hook in the next stitch, pull through 2. That's it. That's my incomplete double crochet, and I'll yarn over, I'll go to the next stitch and do exactly the same. Okay, pull through 2, and I have 3 loops, and I'll repeat 2 more times. Okay, 1 more. So this is 4 times, and I've got 5 loops on my hook. I'll pull through all the loops. Now I'll chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'll do 1 single crochet in the next chain, which is this one, like so. This is the beginning of the Catherine wheel or starburst stitch. Now what we're gonna do, we'll do the same in the next 9 stitches. So 1 incomplete double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So we'll work it, yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2, go to the next one and do the same. It's the second time, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth, the last one. Pull through 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 loops on our hook. Slowly pull through all, slowly, because you might ruin your work if you go fast and miss 1 loop. Okay, that is done. Now I'll chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again in the next stitch 1 single crochet. So basically the entire row will be the same. You'll make 9 incomplete double crochet, then join them together, chain 4, then single crochet in the next stitch, chain 4, then 9 incomplete double crochet joined together, chain 4. Before every start of a single crochet or a 9 double crochet, you chain 4. That's the space between the single crochet and the 9 double crochet. You'll understand later why we chain 4. So again, I'll complete my work and then I'll show you how to go on to the next row. So here I'm at the end of the row. I'm gonna do again 4 incomplete double crochet, so 1 incomplete double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and I'll show you how. So we chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 1 incomplete double crochet, 2, 3, and the 4th one will be in the chain, the starting chain, and you pull through all. So now next, onto the next row, I'm gonna chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we'll turn our work. Now we're gonna finish building the wheel. Onto this one, you have the rounds here, which are the closing points. You have the round here, and then in the single crochet stitch, then you have one over here. Basically, on top of this incomplete double crochet here, I'm gonna do 4 full double crochet. Here I'm gonna do 4 full double crochet, then I will go straight into making 1 single crochet. You will see now how. So I'll yarn over, insert my hook into that small round and make my double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now straight onto that single crochet, I will make 1 single crochet, insert my hook, then work my single crochet. Now on top of this half wheel where we see the round here, okay, I'm gonna work 9 full double crochets. Again, 9 full double crochet. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 double crochet, and then again on this single previous single crochet, I will make 1 single crochet on top. Basically, you're repeating the same on top of each one. So now one of my wheels is complete. I'm gonna do the same till the end of the row. So in the round on top of this half wheel, I'm gonna do 9 double crochet and then 1 single crochet in the next single crochet until the end of my row. So I'll show you again. 1 double crochet, so now we are at the end of the row, and then we have this previous work with the half wheel for incomplete double crochet. On top of this one, I'm gonna make 5 double crochet again in the round, which is over here. Okay, slowly insert your hook. Right, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is how to achieve the wheel stitch. Now it's up to you if you want to change color, but this is the previous one I have made. Okay, so what you're gonna do for the next row, you're gonna repeat row number 2. So the next row is row number 2 and the next one is row number 3. You'll just keep on repeating row 2 and 3 until the finish of whichever project you have chosen to do. So I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and understandable. If you have any questions or you have anything you want to ask, please leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, take care, bye bye.